Hi everyone! Today I'm going to talk about study called The Impact of Social Media on Academic Performances of Students. This research looks at the problem of students spending a lot of time on social media and how it might affect their grades. It's important because social media is a big part of students' lives and knowing its effects can help students and teachers find ways to manage it. The goal of the study was to find out if there's a connection between how much time students spend on social media and their school performance. For this study, the researcher gave surveys to 300 university students aged 18 to 24 from different courses. The survey asked about how many hours they spend on social media each day, what platforms they use, and their most recent grader or GPA. After collecting the answers, the researchers used simple math looks like correlation and regression to see if there's a link between social media time and school performances. And the results showed that students who spent more than 3 hours a day on social media usually had a lower grades. There was a clear pattern. The more time, however, students who use social media mainly for schoolworks like LinkedIn or educational group on Facebook didn't show much drop in their grades. Study shows that social media can hurt academic performance if students spend too much time on it for fun. But if they use it smart ways like for learning, it can actually be helpful. This reminds us that it's important to control how we use on social media and make it work for us, not against us. Future studies can find better ways to help students balance their time between school and social media. Thank you.